Hi guys, welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about ionization and linkage isomerism in coordination compounds. We know that compounds having same MF molecular formula but differ in structure or three-dimensional arrangement are known as isomers, and the phenomenon is known as isomerism. Coordination compounds show two types of isomerism. First is structural isomerism and another one is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism is further classified into ionization, hydrate, coordination, linkage, ligand, coordination position isomerism, etc. In this class, we will discuss about ionization and linkage isomerism. So, what is ionization isomerism? The coordinate compounds which have same molecular formula but give different ions in their aqueous solution are called ionization isomers, and the process is called ionization isomerism. For example, there are two ionization isomers of the compound having molecular formula CONH35BrSO4. One of these isomers is red-violet and forms a precipitate with barium chloride, which indicates that sulfate ion is present in outside the coordination entity. Outside the coordination entity. So, in its aqueous solution, it gives two ions, complex ion and sulfate ion. The second isomer is red and does not give any precipitate with barium chloride but forms precipitate of AgBr with silver nitrate, indicating that bromides are present in outside the coordination entity. So, in general, this type of isomerism is due to the exchange of groups or ions between the CS and IS, coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Very, very important for identify the ionization isomers of a coordination compound. Now, other examples of ionization isomerism, firstly CrCl, NO2, NH3, 4Cl and CrCl2, NH3, NO2. Here, nitrito and chloride exchange between CS and IS. Second example, COBr, NH3, SO4 and COSO4, NH3, Br. Here, bromide and sulfato exchange between CS and IS. So, we obtain the ionization isomer of the compound. Very, very important. Now, we will discuss about linkage isomerism. What is linkage isomerism? So, the coordination compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the mode of attachment of a ligand to the central metal are called linkage isomers, and the phenomenon is called linkage or salt isomerism. For example, CONH3, NO2Cl shows two isomers. First is CONH3ONO Cl2 and its linkage isomer is CONS3 5NO2 Cl2. We know that NO2 minus is a ambidentate ligand. Therefore, the mode of attachment of the ligand with center metal in two ways, with oxygen and with nitrogen. Therefore, the linkage isomers of the compound is first and second. Very important example and very important type of structural isomerism for your competition also. Now, other examples of linkage isomers is first is CrCnH2O5Cl2 and CONCH2O5Cl2. We know that cyano is a ambidentate al. Therefore, the mode of attachment with central metal with carbon and with nitrogen. Another example, CrSCnH2O5Cl2 and CrNCH2O5Cl2. We know that thiocyanato SCN minus is a ambidentate al, therefore with sulfur and with nitrogen. In this isomerism, unidentate ligands can bind to the central metal through two donor atoms. So, in general, we can say that this type of isomerism occurs in coordination compounds which contain ambidentate al like nitrito, cyanido, thiocyanato, etc. Now we will take some multiple choice type question series. So welcome again in Abhiyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is the ionization isomers of CrH2O4, Cl, NO2Cl is option A, B, C and D, none of the above. In this coordination compound, nitrito and chloride exchange between Cs and Is. Thus, we obtain the ionization isomer of the compound. Therefore, answer will be option C, CrH2O4, Cl2, NO2. Very important question. Second question is the linkage isomer of CrNCH2O5 ion is option A, B, C and D. Very important question. Here in the complex ion, isothiocanato is a ambidentate al. Therefore, the linkage isomer of the complex ion is CrSCnH2O5 2 plus ion. Next, third question. Which of the following compounds exhibits linkage isomers? Option A, B, C and D. Very important question. We know that linkage isomerism occurs in coordination compounds with ambidentate ligands. Here, in all these coordination compounds, in option C, nitrito is a ambidentate al. Therefore, answer will be option C. Now next. Question 4, very important. Which of the following isomeric pairs show ionization isomerism? Option A, B, C and D. We know that groups of ions are exchanged between Cs and Is. Then ionization isomers are obtained in option D, sulfate and bromido. Exchange between Cs and Is. Therefore, answer will be option D. In option A, H2O present in crystalline form, therefore these are hydrate isomers. In option C, both parts of the compound are complex and different metals are present. NH3 and Cn are action, therefore these are coordination isomers. So answer will be option D. Last question, very important. If among the following which are ambidentate ligands, NO2 minus, NO3 minus, EDTA4 minus, C2O4 minus, SCN minus and EN. Option A, B, C and D. Very important question. We know that certain ligands which have two or more donor atoms, but in forming complexes, only one donor atom is attached to center metal. Such ligands are called ambidentate L. In these, NO2 minus and SCN minus are the example of ambidentate L. Therefore, answer will be option B, first and fifth. Hopefully guys, you have understood about ionization and linkage isomerism. Thanks for watching guys.